presenting the 2014 Toyota Tundra 1794. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are variable speed intermittent wipers, leather steering wheel, intermittent wipers, traction control, driver airbag, cruise control, passenger illuminated visor mirror, and automatic headlights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.